Hey guys, welcome back. Today is going to be a busy packing video if you want to hang around. I've just been working on the van doing my side writing stickers. My God, what a mistake that was. Oh, I'd never ever do that again, ever. But I'm doing a separate video about that because I wouldn't say complicated, but I definitely wouldn't do it again. Yeah, so today's Monday, we've just gone past Father's Day. It was really weird because last couple of weeks, since I did my previous video saying I'm going to start listing regularly, the sales have shot up. And yesterday, my wife said to me, I bet you won't say anything today, and I didn't either. Father's Day was absolutely dead. We decided to go out as well for the full day, had a good time. So yesterday didn't say anything, came this morning, boom, and started rolling again straight away, so, which is fair enough. Yes, I'm just going to pick a few. I've got a lot of stuff to pack today, so I have to really crack on with it. And I'm going to get these packed, and what I'll do this time is I'll show you what I've actually sold. I know there's a few people interested in what I'm actually selling because you can't really tell from the camera what I'm selling. So I'll put the listings up as I go along. So we've sold a Triumph Trophy all cooler. That's sold for £30. I've picked these already, by the way, that's why. Then we've sold a Yamaha FJ1200 oil housing cover. That was 12 quid. Then we did a Triumph Trophy CDI ECU unit in i9. This was quite funny. So I had this on sale for 76 quid, and I sent an offer out of 10%. Anyway, so then the chap asked me, so I said, would you take £60 for it? So I replied, so I'll tell you what, I'll meet you halfway. Let's go for 65 quid, and I'm happy with that. And then he bought it for the full price. Well, 70 quid. The offer I sent out originally. I thought it was really funny. Seemed like a nice chap though. Okay, then we have a Triumph Daytona K1 starter clutch gear. It's in K1. Ow! That hurt. I just pinched my finger for no reason. Right, so. Okay, then we've got Triumph Trophy again, kill switch gear ring, i9. Okay, then we'll have a fuel tank, £65. Oops. Okay, fuel tank. Then we have, what have we got? Triumph Daytona. I sold, for some reason, almost everything I've sold is for Triumphs this weekend. Must be the British weather. So, Triumph Daytona, gearbox and main gears, I think, K4. Ooh, that's heavy. So waiting that. Then we saw Triumph again, radiator cover. Okay, I'm just checking there, but I wonder if they're the same person, but they're all different people. So, okay, then we sold a Kymco Super 8 engine, which I'm not looking forward to pack. Luckily, it's one of those really small scooter engines. That is, I want to double check. That one there, which is down there. Problem is I've boxed it in. Well, no, I can get it from the back. I just spent some time over the weekend moving the racking around and organising these fuel rails again. So we're getting there, lads, we're getting there. I managed to get loads of cardboard boxes in, but also I had some bicycles that I bought. I mentioned it a while ago. I bought them brand new, never sold them. Took them out of the box and I sold 2 of them straight away. It's crazy. So I've got the boxes, which I'll never use in this format, but I'll keep them because the cardboard's quite thick. So I'll use them for things like wrapping the fuel tank or wrapping an engine. They're ideal for that. They're just in the way because it's really scruffy cardboard. Okay, so there's the engine. I'll put it to one side for now. Yes, I've had that engine a while. That's one of the earlier ones where I couldn't clean them as well as I can nowadays, so I'll spend some time on that off camera just cleaning it up a bit, get it wrapped and get it shipped off today. Okay, then we have Yamaha FJ1200 subframe plastic chrome covers. J6. So for things like this, I'll write down a little thing, put it in these little pouches so I don't lose them and they don't get scratched as well. See, things like that you normally you get them in a pile and you throw them away, but they're sold for £10.80 with an offer, so it's worth doing. Triumph trophy again. My God, switch gear, left side. Let's go. Now, so what I'm doing is, because I'm moving out of the frame of the camera, I'll cut the video then start it again. But can you see how quickly it is now? I've picked 10 items, whatever it is, in the space of 5 minutes. Dead easy, because everything's getting organised. It just saves it saves hours of work. I did have one problem though, where I sold, well not for today, but from a previous sale, I sold a rocker cover of a motorbike, and they've got these. I normally wrap them. I've opened it now. I normally wrap them, but they've normally got like little gaskets. This one's in poor condition, but they've got gaskets here, like little seals, and apparently four of them fell out. I don't know how, because it was wrapped. So I got a message from the buyer, and I went to the crate and I found 2 of them lying around in the crate. So I know that he is obviously right. So I've got 4 missing, but luckily I had a rickety old spare one. So I've got the seals off here. And what he said, oh, the ones underneath were missing, but I could see in the picture there's some seals in there that should be in there. He said, oh, the underside ones, there's 3 big ones on the underside. He said, I can see they're missing. So I replied to him, but this guy's bought hundreds of pounds off me. He's constantly buying off me. So I messaged him, I said, look, the underside, these I've got them, not a problem. I said, but the underside ones, they don't seem to be in the picture. In fact, I'm sure they weren't there, because you could tell by the picture that they weren't there. But what I've offered to do was buy him a full set, a brand new set. I said, give me a few days, I'll buy a new set and I'll get them sent out to you. Because he spent a lot of money with me, to be fair. He could have bought a full motorbike for the money he spent in parts. And if I send him these 4, it's going to cost me £5. It's probably going to cost me, I think, 25-30 quid for a new set, and then £5 postage. So I'll be out of pocket 30 quid, but the amount of money he spent, and he'll probably keep buying off me as well. So I take care of my customers in that sense. Would I lose money on it? Yes, because I think I only sold this about, I think, £20. It was a good better one than this. I sold it for about 20 quid, I think. But with this particular client, I'll go way above and beyond what I should be doing, because it helps him out and it keeps continued business as well. Yes, I'm just waiting for a reply now from him. As soon as he replies, I'll get them ordered. I've asked him for a few days because I've got to order them, because I can't send them to his address. I'll buy them under my address, they'll come to me and I'll ship them out straight away. Right, let's get packing. What I'm going to start doing again as well is I'm going to start doing shorter videos, because I tend to waffle on for ages. Which has a side effect, because you probably get bored. I spend too much time editing, and I don't think it's working, because I can see the numbers are going up. I've got quite good viewing figures as well. It's definitely working, but I still think I waffle on too much. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to be cutting to the important parts of the videos and just talking less. It's like if I'm working on a car, I'll show what I'm doing, then I'll cut the film, do the process, then carry on and do that. So yeah, thank you for everyone that's supporting us, the channel, and who's sending us messages and also subscribing and liking. Please don't forget to do that. It does help a lot, to be fair. And then eventually we shall get monetized. And it all adds up. Even though we do it for fun, really, more than anything else. So I've just taken the wrap off this, I'm going to wrap it again. Yeah, so I shall see you shortly, because I'm going to keep on wrapping, guys. And I'll see you at the end of these wrapped parcels. Okay guys, so I've packed the parcels. We're way into the afternoon at the moment. I've packed the parcels, I've posted them, I've come back, had an appointment, went to pick my daughter up, came back, and now I'm going to start taking pictures. So I'm going to end the video here because I forgot to carry on and show you what I've packed. Well, I've showed you what I've packed essentially, but I haven't actually showed you the packed parcels if you like. Yeah, so we're just going to do a bit of organisation. So wife's home late today, so it gives me a bit more leeway in tidying up. And I'm going to start taking some pictures. I'm going to try and really get ahead. I had a slight issue at the moment where I can never win because I'm on my own. I've got so much to get on with. Is I started listing more frequently, so I started selling a lot frequently, but now I can't keep up with it. So it's good, but now I need to just take more pictures. So I'm going to try keep my listings to 10, maybe 11 a day. I'm not going to do any more than that because I can't keep up with more than that. I know it sounds menial. You think, God, surely you must be able to do 20 or 30, but I can't. So especially, I'm always struggling on a Monday morning because I leave all the weekends packing till the Monday, where sometimes I try to do it on the Saturday halfway. So I think Saturday is going to be my cut-off point for Friday and Saturday, and then Monday will be my Sunday and Monday. Because on Monday morning, it's just too much to pack in the sense that it takes too much time out of your day to do other stuff. So I'm going to leave it there, guys, for this vlog, and we should probably be filming again tomorrow. I'm probably going to be working on my car, on my Honda tomorrow, because we're going to be painting my son's girlfriend's bumper this week. So when you do your filler and your lacquer, there's always filler left, there's always lacquer left in the can, or in the spray gun. So I'm going to prepare some parts. I might as well not waste it and just spray my parts whilst I'm at it. So I'm going to take advantage of that. So I'll see you in the next one.